Fannie Mae ANSI update number 139, page 92. Lists general manufactured home depreciated replacement values based on original factory construction categories and offers a step-by-step process for arriving at the average retail book value for a manufactured home and can be used to develop a cost approach. Note: NADA chart values assume the home is in average condition. The publication provides definitions for excellent, good, average, fair, and poor to appropriately identify the condition of the manufactured home. Another source of information is Marshall & Swift's Residential Cost Handbook. Marshall & Swift provides information that enables the user to arrive at an estimate of the cost of the manufactured home when new and the replacement cost based on, among other things, the construction quality, as well as an explanation of the items that enables the appraiser to support his or her conclusion of the overall construction quality of the manufactured home. The appraiser must support his or her opinion about both the quality and the condition of the manufactured home because they play a very important role in the value and marketability of manufactured homes. The NADA guide or the Marshall & Swift handbook may be used as additional sources to provide support for the appraiser's conclusions about the quality and value of a manufactured home. Some related announcements. Page 93. B4-1 period 4-02 factory built housing, modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing. Introduction. This topic contains information on special appraisal considerations for modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing, including overview, appraisal requirements for modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing, comparable selection requirements for modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing. Overview: modular homes must be built under the Uniform Building Code, UBC, that is administered by the state agency that is responsible for adopting and administering building code requirements for the state in which the modular home is installed. Prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing does not have to satisfy either HUD's Federal Manufactured Home Construction and Safety Standards or the UBC that are adopted and administered by the state in which the home is installed. The home must conform to local building codes in the area in which it will be installed. For modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing eligibility requirements, CB 2-3-02, Special Property Eligibility and Underwriting Considerations, Factory Built Housing. Appraisal requirements for modular, prefabricated, panelized, or sectional housing. Fannie Mae does not have minimum requirements for width, size, roof pitch, or any other specific construction detail for modular homes or any other types of factory-built homes. Because quality can account for large differences in the values of factory-built homes, it is important for the appraiser to become familiar with the features that affect the quality of a factory-built home so that the information can be included in the appraisal report if needed to support his or her opinion of value.